I'm Dennis Glenn. I'm an adjunct professor at the Graduate School for DePaul Continuing in Professional Studies. And for the last 17 years, I have been developing interactive learning assessment programs for the healthcare industry.
Hello, Mr. Anderson. How are you today?
I'm in a lot of pain.
And the interesting thing about the healthcare industry is that when you take a test, you cannot get a 70 or an 80 as a grade. You have to master it. You have to get 100. And that's the reason why simulations are so important, is because they do an evaluation of your ability to do a task. And that's basically what we get paid. We get paid to do something successfully. We mostly teach at macro learning institutions. What we do is we actually break the learning elements into manageable chunks. And that's what micro apps do for the learning process. But the most important thing is that it gives the users feedback immediately as to their success or failure at the task. This is critical in assisting them in mastering the learning objectives that you have created.